everyone! What a beautiful day today! I was sitting in my CEO office, I was drinking my latte macchiato, and suddenly this happened. I was shouting, begging, almost shitting on my pants, and after that I realized actually I'm sleeping, and it was a nightmare. And the next day I went to my instructor and I said, "Hey Andres, yesterday I saw a dream, I was entering to a spin and I wasn't able to recover back again. I was shouting, I was almost shitting my pants." And he said, "Dude, you have to learn how to make the spin exercises." So here we are in Debrecen airport today making spin exercises. And right now let's speed up the process a bit and let's go Romanian border. There's a training box exercises where we are making between Debrecen, Hungary and Romanian border. Generally there's no aircraft in there. So let's talk and go to the training. As you are seeing, we are preparing to make nose low recovery. We are assuming that we are concentrated on our left or right. We are looking outside object, and we didn't realize it. And we started our nose to go down, down, and down. As you are seeing, I'm right now flying vertical to the, how can I say, not an aligned position of the flight. In my left there is sky, in my right there is ground. And we would like to recover from this process. Let's watch. And then the spin exercises started. I'm warning you guys, if you have stomach problems, please don't watch this video. It was really tough for the pilot, as me, to fly the spins actually. It wasn't that bad to recover, but you are also fighting with your body. Spin exercises, here they are.